Today's topic is applications of derivatives. So we have this subtopic, tangents and normals. Derivative as a rate of measure, approximation, Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, increasing decreasing function, maxima and minima. First example, हम डायरेक्टली एग्जाम्पल की तरफ जा रहे हैं, उसमें ही थ्योरी डिस्कस करेंगे. द पॉइंट ऑन द कर्व वेयर द टेंजेंट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द लाइन. In this case, your curve is y is equal to root of x minus 1. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is a slope which is differentiation of root of x minus 1, which is 1 by 2 root x minus 1. And another line is given, that is 2x plus y minus y equal to 0. So from that, if you compare with this line, y equal to mx plus c, so slope is minus 2. So you have got this slope as minus 2 and its differentiation is 1 upon 2, that is another slope. Given that this curve means the point on the curve where the tangent is perpendicular. This tangent is perpendicular to this line, that's why product of slope is minus 1. We know this result. If two lines are perpendicular, product of slope is minus 1. So in this case, my m1 is 1 upon 2 root x minus 1. m2 is minus 2. The product is minus 1. So after calculation, we will get this root of x minus 1 as 1 means x sparing both sides. We will have x minus 1 as 1. So my x is equal to 2. So you have to find the corresponding value of y. So put that x is equal to 2. And y equal to root of x minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, root 1 is 1. So my point is x comma y as 2, 1. This is your correct option, 2, 1. Next question. The point on the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2 at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. So firstly, given that 6y is x cube plus 2, so if we differentiate it 6 dy by dx as 3x square, so my dy by dx is x square by 2. This is y differentiation, and after that they are giving y coordinate changing 8 times as, means y coordinates means dy by dt is 8 times x coordinate, changing means dy by dt is 8 times dx by dt. So from this we have a dy by dx, which dy by dx we know this by parametric dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt is 8 times dx by dt, so it comes to 8. So both are dy by dx, just equate it, x square by 2 as 8. So my x is plus minus 4. So we have two values of x, one is 4, another one is minus 4. If we put x is equal to 4, so in this equation 6y equal to x cube plus 2. So if we put x as 4, so 4 cube is, in this case 4 cube is 64, 64 plus 2 which is 66. My value of y is 11. So we have got this point 4 comma 11. Already they have given this answer 4 comma 11. So this is the correct answer. Still we can check for next value, that is x is minus 4. If you put x is equal to minus 4, we get different value, that is minus 31 by 3, which is not in your option. So my correct answer is 4 comma 11. This is my point. Next question is from CET 2016. The approximate value of fx is x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 9 at x is equal to 1.1. So you have to put x as 1.1. So for that we can use this approximation formula. F of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. So 1.1 can be written as 1 plus 0.1. So my a is 1 and h is 0.1. So for this formula, what is your requirement? F of 1, a is 1, f of 1 and f dash of 1. So firstly find f of 1 means put x by x is, we can put x as 1. So 1 cube is 1 plus 5 into 1 minus 7 into 1 plus 9, it comes to 8. Okay, and after that f dash of 1. So firstly find differentiation, f dash x. So what is differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus 10x minus 7. Put x as 1 So it comes to 3 into 1 square plus 10 into 1 minus 7. So this comes to 6. So after that you have to put the value as f of 1.1 as f of 1 plus 0.1 into f dash of 1. So what is my value of f of 1? F of 1 is 8, h is 0.1 and f dash of 1 is 6. So 8 plus 0.6, the answer is 8.6 is the correct answer. Okay. This is from approximation. Next question is from, we have only the theory part is approximation is that what f of a plus h as f of a plus h f dash of a. Next example is on Rolle's theorem. So if you apply Rolle's theorem to this function, you are given what? If Rolle's theorem is for this function is verified on this interval, then the value of c is either pi by 3, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4 or pi. So firstly, what is the statement of Rolle's theorem? So Rolle's theorem means fx is continuous on closed interval and differentiable on open, and f of a is same as f of b, then there exists a point c belongs to this interval such that f dash of c is equal to 0. So you have to calculate that value of c. Already they have given Rolle's theorem is verified. So no need to verify this condition, already Rolle's theorem is verified. So you have to use this condition f dash of c as 0. So firstly find its differentiation f dash of x. For that you have to use UV rule. So firstly e raised to x, differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x, sin x minus cos x is as it is, e raised to x as it is, differentiation of sin is cos x, derivative of cos is minus sin, minus minus plus. We can take e raised to x as common. So what is inside? My sin x minus cos x plus sin x. This minus plus cos get cancelled. So sin plus sin is 2 sin. So 2 e raised to x sin x. This is my f dash x. But f dash c is 0. So replace x by c. So 2 e raised to c plus sin c is equal to 0. But 2 is non-zero, exponential is non-zero, so your sin c is equal to 0. So what are the possibilities of c? So when sin is 0, 0, pi, 2 pi like this. But your requirement is what? That value should be lies between pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So the value of pi is nothing but, which is lies between pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. So your correct answer is c as pi by 4. Next example, the value of c in the mean value theorem for the function fx is equal to x square in this enclosed interval 2, 4 is that you have to calculate. Firstly, you have to apply here Lagrange's mean value theorem. So your a is what this interval is comparing ab. So a is 2, b is 4. So what is f of a? This fx is x square, so 2 square is 4. F of 4 is 16. Firstly, this function is continuous. This is a polynomial function which is continuous on closed and differentiable on open interval because derivative of x square is 2x. It is differentiable also. So by Lagrange's mean value theorem, f dash of c is f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. So what is value of f of b? B is 4. So f of 4 is 16 minus f of 2 is 4. 16 minus 4 upon this b minus a. So it comes to 6. So what is differentiation of fx as x square? So its differentiation is 2x. So replace x by c. So 2c is 6. So the value of c is 3. So this is the correct answer. C as 3. Next topic, maxima and minima. How to find maximum and minimum value of function? So we have this suppose graph. In this case, where the slope is 0, means f dash of x is 0. जहाँ पे उसका फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव 0 रहता है उधर मैक्सिमा या मिनिमम ऑकर्स होता है. तो प्रोसीजर आपका उसी तरह से है. फर्स्टली फाइंड इट्स f dash x and double dash x means first and second derivative. So to get these critical points, you have to take f dash x as 0. In this case, slope is 0. So after solving, you will have x as some values a, b, c like this. at x is equal to a, suppose this value as x is equal to a, so f double dash of a, second derivative, put this x is equal to a in f double dash. So if f double dash is less than 0, then maximum occurs. If f double dash of a is greater than 0, then minimum occurs. We'll see by example. इस STD 2017 में आया है. The maximum value of fx log x by x, you have to find the maximum value. So in this case, fx is log x by x. First we find its differentiation. So log x by x by u by v rule, v square, denominator square, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator is log x, differentiation is 1 by x minus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. So take f dash x is 0. So this 1 minus log x by x square is 0. So 1 minus log x is 0, denominator is non-zero because x is not equal to 0. So 1 plus log x is 0 means x is equal to e to the power 1. So x is log e, this log e is always 1. So we can verify, means in this case what you have to calculate, maximum value of this function. So maximum occur at this value, that we have to verify by differentiating twice, which you have got this first derivative as 1 minus log x by x square, differentiate twice and we can verify this f double dash of e as less than 0 because you have got only one value of x. If you have two value of x, means we can find in detail its differentiation and where the maximum or minimum occurs. So in this case, the maximum occurs at this point. So what is maximum value? So maximum value is f of e, means we have to put x is equal to e, which is log e by e. So what is log e to the base e is 1. So answer is 1 by e. So this is your correct answer. Okay. So next.
The
minimum value of fx is x square plus 250 by x. We have to calculate minimum value of this. So first step is find its differentiation. Derivative of x square is 2x. 250 as it is, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Take first derivative 0. So 2x minus 250 by x square is 0. So if you multiply it by x square, so 2x cube is equal to 250. So x cube is 125, which is 5 cube. So x is equal to 5. इस केस में भी आपके पास एक ही वैल्यू आया है x का, आपको पूछा है मिनिमम वैल्यू और आपके पास नन ऑफ दिस वगैरह ऑप्शन भी नहीं, मीन्स बाय डिफॉल्ट इसी वैल्यू के लिए आपका मिनिमम आने वाला है. तो मैं आगे जाके उसका डेरिवेटिव भी नहीं चेक कर रहा हूँ डबल डेरिवेटिव कैसे है, बट हो जाएगा. डबल डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करो, वो आपको पता है यहाँ पे मिनिमम पूछा है, इसका मतलब डबल डेरिवेटिव ग्रेटर देन 0 आएगा, वो आप वेरीफाई करो. I'm just finding its minimum value by putting x as 5. So 5 square plus 250 by 5, it comes to 25 plus 50, which is 75. So 75 is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you.